Good. Ah, it worse.
Yeah. It will. Oh, when you swallow, it's when it gets bad.
So we're back with another taste test video. Just two Americans trying some South Korean convenience store food snacks.
And so if you've watched us do these before, you know how these work. We have what we think will be the best, going up to what we are the most scared of in order, and we will go through and try each of them and give them a score from 0 to 5 based off of how we think they taste. And all of these things are things that we have either never seen before or things that we don't think you can find on American shelves. Between each snack, we also each are gonna have a drink that we're gonna try to rinse out our taste with. Mine is a brand that obviously we all know. It's Pepsi, but it is something that I've never seen before. It is a Pepsi Strong.
Maybe that's a new kind of Pepsi. I don't know.
I don't know what makes it strong, or maybe it makes me strong, but I'm gonna give it a shot. What'd you
And then
get?
I have a royal milk tea, which seemed to be extremely popular here in Asia, and I really like. So
She's already broken into it because it's halfway gone already.
I've been drinking it already. Okay, first one. It's got some K-pop boys on it. Ink. It is jelly beans.
Oh, not
jelly beans, but like little gummy bottles of some kind.
Oh yeah, they look like little Coke bottles, I guess. They have a little C on them.
What's that stand for?
Yeah, gummy, like gummy worms. Very fruity smelling.
Oh yeah. Just like a delicious gummy worm.
Gummies only takes a little bit to get the taste.
Oh, I tasted it immediately.
What flavor is it?
Not lemon. No.
No. It's kind of a fruit mixture.
Yeah.
A fruit medley. I don't know.
5 out of 5.
Yeah, I'll give that a 5 out of 5. It just tastes like a regular fruit chew, some kind of fruit medley flavor. I don't know what it is, but they are all the exact same flavor. They're all the yellows.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know what flavor we got, but we got them all. So this next item also is a brand that we all are very aware of. It's Kit Kat. But I don't know if I have ever seen, it looks like a green tea flavor. And I don't know if I have ever seen this in the US.
And I feel like we don't see Kit Kats as much in the US these days. I haven't, but they seem to be everywhere here with different flavors.
So when we open up the box, there are three different packages in here. So I guess we both can get our own. You have 2 miniature regular Kit Kat sticks.
And you can break me off a piece of that fancy feast.
Best dad ever? Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that. I am totally blanking. What is the thing?
It's like matcha.
I expected like a chocolate matcha flavor.
Oh, no.
But it is just matcha.
Straight up green tea. It's good. 5 out of 5.
Just green tea. I'm not a big fan of green tea. And I have gotten some green tea things that I do like. So that I'm gonna give a 3 out of 5. Yeah. I really expected some sort of chocolate flavor there.
Nope.
There is no chocolate at all in that.
Next thing is some kind of chip, but it has a big old octopus on it. So they seem to have lots of octopus flavored things and just a straight up octopus to eat everywhere. So we're gonna give this one a go. And it looks like it has a pepper on it, so it must be the spicy.
Well, on the front it has a pepper, but it also has, you can see it's this wooden like skewer with a tentacle wrapped around and around it. So I don't think these are actual like dried tentacles.
No, I don't think so. I think it's just flavored. My guess.
So spicy octopus.
Smells
But they're
spicy.
spiraled like the tentacle. See, there's like a hole in it and it goes around, texture on it. It mostly just smells like a really hot pepper.
Yeah, it smells spicy. Okay. Oh, you'll get that. Yeah.
I feel,
You taste that? It gets like a real gross, fishy,
yeah.
weird.
Oh,
Oh, I don't like that. It keeps going.
man, it gets worse and worse and worse as it goes. The fish taste just really like it. At first it tastes fine.
Yeah, it tastes like a burnt fish. That's what it tastes like.
But then the fish just slowly takes over.
Blah, blah, blah.
Oh,
Gross. That's,
I'm giving it a 2 out of 5. I don't like fish, so
I
that's
should
a
say
2.
1 out of 5.
Let's see what Pepsi Strong. See what I keep forgetting. We've already 3 in. I keep forgetting to try it.
Should I go Pepsi?
Yeah, it tastes like a regular Pepsi. I don't feel any stronger.
You look stronger.
So the next item is something that outside of the convenience store, they had like a little, I don't know.
Like what you see hot dogs in sometimes.
Yeah,
A glass case.
Yeah, it was a little glass. So outside the convenience store, they had a little glass case and there's steam coming out of it. And they had these little buns that are all cooking. They had pictures of what the different buns were and then what was inside of them, but then no way of really knowing what was actually inside of them and then which one was which. So this one we don't know what's in it. And so Aubrey's gonna give it a bite first since she picked it out. Let her have the surprise. So if you don't know, these buns are like outside are like doughy.
Yeah, it's really doughy.
And very soft and squishy.
I like it.
It looks kind of like ground beef.
Yeah, kind of what it tastes like.
It looks like ground beef on the inside, maybe.
Like chili.
And super, super thick dough.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't like the bun. I like the inside.
Oh, I like the bun the best. I give it a 4 out of 5.
Way too much bun. Too thick.
What do you
I give it a 2 out of 5.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not very good.
Okay. So now they get the next 2 things I'm afraid of. But this one, we don't know what it is.
So as I found this, it was like next to the chips and underneath the fruit chews and stuff. So it was like in the candy section, but they had all of these like random tubes that none of it had English, except one had English and it said cheese like 57 point something %. I don't know if it's like 57% of it is cheese,
Oh gosh.
but I have no clue what this is.
I think it's like a Slim Jim.
That's what I was thinking too. So it's like squishy too. But if we cut off the end here,
Oh, I think it's cheese.
Okay, so now I can pull off the wrapper. So it's kind of like a cream, has a little reddish tint.
That's gross looking.
I don't know what that is. I think it probably is just cheese. My first or you first?
You first.
Oh,
What?
that's got to be some kind of seafood mixed in there.
Oh yeah. It smells like crab.
You think it's pureed crab? That they then gelatinized? You go first. I can't do it.
Okay. Okay, I'll go first. Oh,
Whoa. Don't say it. I'll take it.
okay.
Is it crab?
It tastes like crab. It's kind of good.
You like that?
Kind of like, yeah, like gelatinous crab.
Oh, I just.
I kind of like it. I don't know if you're gonna like it, but
I hate the texture.
yeah,
Right off the bat. It won't go away either. It's just so gelatinous.
Just swallow it.
Oh, the swallow was hard. Oh, my body's starting to reject things now.
It doesn't.
It's tired of this trying and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's just like a gelatinous crab.
Yeah.
Oh man, it had the texture of like fat when you like
Yeah.
have cooked something and it's like sat out for a little bit, and now it's kind of solidified a little bit.
It's crab jello.
Hard jello. Man. 0 out of 5.
You know, I liked it more than I thought. I'd say 3 out of 5.
Okay. So to be honest, as we've walked through the convenience stores here, the stuff hasn't been as like strange or unusual as we expected. It may be kind of like the fruit chews where it's something that we would have in the US, just a different brand or something that maybe we didn't recognize, and then when we try it, it's like, oh, it's this fruit chew. There was one section though where it got weird, where it got different for us, and it was like packages of dried squid and fish and octopus and everything. And like some of them were like legit straight up just dried out squid.
Yeah.
Very obvious what it is. And this was in that section. So we have the squid like shape on the front. You see like the shape of the head and then like the tentacles coming down here. And the inside looks like fried tentacles. Don't know what any of this is. Some of them were holding different kind of drinks. The other one was holding like a big pint of beer. This one I don't know what that is.
Probably still beer.
You think? It's got like bubbles in it.
Oh, that's true. Maybe it's
Like a soda? It may be. I think it could be like squid that was killed and then soaked in soda and then dried out.
it's murdered.
Oh, that is strong. You smell it. Is that not just like
Oh.
you just walked into SeaWorld and that's the smell you get? Oh, you dropped some on
I'm
me.
sorry. Chill.
I'm almost afraid to touch it because I feel like I'm grabbing just a squid tentacle.
You are. It's a little softer
So
than I
it's-
thought.
yeah, it's soft.
Crispy.
And it's stringy. It's so like fibery.
Yeah.
Why are there so many fibers? Oh, okay. We just gotta do it.
Oh, good. Like squid jerky.
It's really tough.
Yeah, it's jerky.
The worst part is the mental images I'm getting in my head.
The squid's moving around. Yeah. Not as bad as I thought, but not good.
It's getting there.
Does it get worse?
Yeah.
Oh, use tissue.
It's getting bad. Have you swallowed yours?
Yeah, it gets worse.
Yeah. The fish taste really starts to come out.
He's taking his revenge.
It will. Oh, when you swallow is when it gets bad.
Really? I'm not stroking my teeth.
Oh god.
I don't like that.
0 out of 5. 0 out
Yeah,
of 5.
no.
Oh man. That is like the beginning. Oh, this still got the flavor. Let me get stronger. Like the flavor at first was almost like a
A little sweeter. than I thought.
sweet flavor.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say. It's kind of a sweet flavor, and then it turns on you, and it really starts to taste like sea, like the sea, the ocean.
Yeah.
And man, it's tough, so it lasts. You can't just throw that back and get it over with.
I think, yeah, we have beef jerky at home. They have squid jerky.
Oh, that was. So overall, the jellies were the best.
K-pop boys.
Kit Kats, obviously, not bad. Just not as much chocolate, like pure green tea flavor, which is interesting and something.
New to us.
Yeah, definitely gonna find that in Asia. So, well, that's all that we have for this taste test video. We hope that you enjoyed that one too, and you got to see something that maybe you have never recognized, or you've never seen, or you don't recognize. Some new flavors, and you get to see a little bit more of how other people eat for snacks in other parts of the world.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and be looking out for our regular vlogs. Thanks.